Summer is just around the corner, and what better way to prepare than by sprucing up your home with some delightful DIY decor? Get ready to infuse your living space with the sunny vibes of the season with these easy-to-make summer decor ideas. Summer Tired Tray. Add a touch of beachy charm to your kitchen with a tiered stand adorned with succulents or fresh flowers. Wagon Wheel Wreath. Create a rustic yet elegant wreath using a wagon wheel and artificial flowers to adorn your living room or porch. When summer gives you lemons, brighten up your kitchen island with a fresh lemon arrangement, evoking the essence of summer. Three Tired for Summer Display. Showcase your love for the beach with a three-tiered stand featuring coastal elements and vibrant decor. Sun, Fun and Home Decor. Incorporate sunny accents into your home with a tiered stand display, complemented by string of pearl plants. Sunday brunch on a summer's day. Set the perfect brunch table with bright tableware, citrus accents, and fluffy hydrangeas for a leisurely summer meal. Flowers and Friends Luncheon Decor. Elevate your dining experience with individual mini pots of flowers and a charming floral centerpiece. Sea Breeze Potpourri. Fill your home with the refreshing scent of summer using a tray of potpourri featuring dried flowers and decorative trinkets. Potted lemon tree on a tray. Add a pop of color to your living space with a mini potted lemon tree, bringing the outdoors inside. Pretty and Pale. Create a serene summer ambience with soft blue and peach accents against a backdrop of white furnishings. Of yellows, whites, and grays. Experiment with unexpected color combinations like yellow, white, and gray to evoke the feeling of a summer sky. Summer's Calling Decor. Embrace a coastal vibe with decorative wicker balls, succulents, candles, and seashells for a beach-inspired look. Sunflowers for a summer day. Brighten up any room with a vase of vibrant sunflowers, adding warmth and cheer to your decor. Vintage shelf decor. Achieve a nostalgic summer look with vintage-inspired shelf decor featuring succulents, white pictures, and driftwood accents. Tropical themed 3-tier display. Bring a taste of the tropics into your home with a 3-tier display adorned with artificial tropical leaves, fruits, and flowers. Don't stop here. There's plenty more creativity to explore, so stay tuned for more inspiring DIY projects to elevate your summer decoration. Keep watching. These DIY summer decor ideas are sure to add a touch of sunshine to your home as you eagerly anticipate the arrival of the season. Happy crafting!